Hi, welcome to week one. We're going to be kicking off the first week here. And what we're going to be focusing on this week is disruption, IT's role in disruption. So, what we're trying to do here is going to be really setting the context for information services and understanding the role that in today's economy and in the global nature of our economy, the importance that information services and being able to manage IT technology through those services and improve our ability to manage information both allows us and allows the companies we work for to engage in disruption, to change the marketplace, change the customer sets around us, but also respond to what we're seeing in terms of changes, competitiveness in the marketplace and with our customer sets. So kind of open-ended, we're going to ease into the class a little bit this week. Not too much reading, a little bit out of the book. A couple articles we want to take a look at, discussion question associated with that. And then we'll be doing a case study at the end of the week, kind of walking through what disruption means and a good example of how you translate this. We really want to kick the course off right in terms of getting our mindset around the importance of information as a competitive advantage and as a means for the IT department to really help the business move forward, advance the business, maintain competitiveness, the business. And really, if we get that out of this term, then you'll have accomplished what we're trying to get here, which is to put information services and IT leadership in the pole position of really contributing to where the company is going and not being uh, 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 something that's an also ran or something that we think of second. As you look at the market, especially nowadays, as more and more technology parts of the market seem to start driving, this becomes more and more apparent that companies need to have people like what you're going to be learning, uh, leaders in IT that are willing and enabled to engage and to lead the business in new competitive spaces. So that's what we're going to be doing this week with disruption. We'll go ahead and get started.